In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with your Apple ID to use the App Store. Whether you're setting up a new device or experiencing your first adventure with iOS, connecting your Apple ID is a straightforward process that unlocks a treasure trove of apps ready to be explored. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, locate the App Store app on your device. It typically presents itself as a blue icon with a white A made of popsicle sticks. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on the icon to open the App Store. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll notice a little profile icon. It might appear as your initials or a blank silhouette if you haven't added a profile picture yet. Tap on this icon to bring up the sign in page for your Apple ID. Here's the crucial part. If you already have an Apple ID, simply enter your Apple ID email address and password in the provided fields. Be sure to type carefully to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your credentials, tap the sign in button and you'll be connected to the App Store. After successfully signing in, you now have full access to download new apps and manage your existing purchases. You can explore categories, check out trending apps, and even read honest reviews from other users. Enjoy personalizing your device with tools and games that suit your interests. Now, if you're new to the Apple ecosystem and do not have an Apple ID, don't worry. The process is equally simple. In the same profile section where you would normally sign in, you'll see an option to create new Apple ID. Tap on this option and it will take you through the process of setting up a new account. This typically involves entering your personal details, setting up a secure password, and verifying your email address. Make sure to remember your credentials as you'll need them for future purchases and updates. And that's all there is to it. You're now well equipped to dive into the vast array of applications available on the App Store. Remember, the App Store is constantly updated with new apps, so keep checking back for the latest releases that pique your interest. And always make sure your Apple ID information is secure, as it's the key to accessing all the amazing features Apple has to offer. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and share it with others who might benefit. Happy downloading and enjoy exploring the wonderful world of the App Store.